Perfect timing. Mastering the art of joining video calls. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're focusing on an important part of online communication, joining a video call on time. Remember, being punctual not only shows respect for the other person's time, but also projects professionalism and reliability. Let's dive in. One of the first things we need to consider when joining a video call on time is understanding time zones. If your call involves participants from different parts of the world, it's crucial to convert your local time to the time zone of the scheduled call. There are many tools available online that can assist with this. Remember to check and double-check to avoid any confusion. Preparing your technology is another essential step in joining a video call on time. Before your call, make sure your device is charged, your internet connection is stable, and your video conferencing software is up to date and functioning properly. You don't want technical difficulties to make you late. Proper time management can greatly assist in ensuring you're on time for your video call. Plan to join the call a few minutes early. This allows you time to troubleshoot any unexpected issues, and ensures you're ready when the call starts. Always set reminders for your call, so you don't forget. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, delays can happen. If you find you're going to be late, always notify the other participants as soon as possible. Apologize for the delay and give a new expected arrival time if you can. It's all about maintaining open and respectful communication. And that wraps up our discussion on joining a video call on time. With these tips, you can navigate your online communications with ease and confidence. Remember, punctuality is more than just good manners, it's a sign of respect and professionalism. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next lesson.